Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making very healthy dish called spinach beetroot masala. So let's have the ingredient. Very simple ingredient: spinach, tomato, onion, chopped garlic, coriander leaf, coriander seed powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt and grated beetroot. So take a pan, add little oil around 1 to 2 teaspoon, add 3 to 4 chopped garlic, mix it. Now add 1 sliced onion, cook till onion is transparent. Add 1 chopped and grated beetroot, mix it and cook it for 1 minute. Now add half a teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix it and cook it for half a minute. 1 bunch of spinach, chopped spinach, mix it and cook it for 1.5 minute. Now add 2 chopped tomato, mix it, add salt as per your taste, cover it and leave it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, uncover it, mix it and garnish it with coriander leaf, and your very healthy spinach and beetroot masala is ready. Thank you.